Hello trainers, in this video we will learn how to add writing tests in IELTS LMS. On the left side there is question along with image. The right area is for answer. User can type the answer here. At the bottom right there is an option to go to the next task, and similar to task 1 there is the question instruction, and on the right side there is a field to type the answer. At the bottom there is a different task timer for each question. At the bottom there is different timer for each task. Task 1 has 20 minutes and task 2 has 40 minutes. If you want to add only one task in the test, that is also possible. Now let's see how to add this test in IELTS LMS. For that, go to your IELTS admin dashboard. For that, enter IELTS admin after your WordPress domain URL. Go to the writings and click on quizzes. To add a new quiz, click on add new quiz and give your test a title. So I'm going to add demo test here. And after that, click publish. Here sections are the task. Click on add section, and here we can add 1, 2 or n number of tasks. By default, full writing test has 2 tasks only. I'm going to add 1 here. Click on add new. Here set the timer for task 1. So I'm going to add 20 minutes for it. And in the section details, paste your content. So I'm going to use the same question and paste it here. To add the image, click on add media and choose the image that you want to use. You can also upload image from your system. Click on insert into post. So image has been added. You can also change the size. So I'm going to make it full size. Click update. If you want to display sample answer to user after he submits the test, you can enable sample answer as well and put your answer here. After doing all the necessary settings, click on publish. So we have added a task 1. To add second task, click on add section again, and here set it as writing task 2. For that, I'm going to set the timer of 40 minutes. Paste your question of task 2 here and enable the sample answer and click on publish. To preview the test, go to quizzes and click on preview icon. So here you can see we have questions and the image below that. On the right side, there is the field to type the answer. At the bottom, this 20-minute timer, and the next part has the instructions and the question field. If you have any questions, please let me know in the comment below. See you in the next tutorial. Thank you.